Good morning everyone for coming. After a series of coordination meetings with the Bacolod City Police Office, Traffic Enforcement Unit, Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, Bureau of Fire Protection, Bacolod, and the Bacolod Traffic and Transport Management Department, the Bacolod Kugma Foundation Incorporated Interagency Department has formally pushed for the approval of road closures to the Bacolod City Council in preparation for our upcoming Mascara Festival 2025. The proposed road closures are intended to ensure smooth traffic management, proper emergency access, and the safety of thousands of festival goers expected to attend this year's celebration. Security and safety have always been at the core of the Mascara Festival. These road closure measures are the product of careful planning with our law enforcement and emergency partners. Whatever these agencies deem necessary for the welfare of the public, we at the Bacolod Kugma Foundation will fully support, said Festival Director Radmi Ascalon. And for the highlights of the road closure proposal, for the Bacolod Public Plaza site, this will cover from September 28 to October 20. So the full road closure will be on October 1 to 19. For the weekends, it will be 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. Then for the weekdays, it's 3 p.m. to 2 a.m. And the roads affected will be Rizal Street in front of Bacolod Cathedral, Gonzaga Street, San Juan to Catuslao, and the San Juan Street in front of the Bay Center, and for the Catuslao Street sa May Zalibi. And for the Araneta Strip, it's from PNB, Luzuriaga to the do BCGC nga. And for the ingress will be September 28 to 30, to September 30. Half road closure lang siya, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Ang inner lane lang alapit sa plaza. So ang iba na ang roads dira passable gyapon sa mga commuters lang. So ang egress ini is on October 20, same half road closure 3 a.m. to 12 noon. And for the Bacolod City Government Center side, same man ang ilang coverage September 28 to October 20. And tanan ni half road closure man lang na siya from 1 to 19 also. Same time man sa ila 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. on weekends, and weekdays will be 3 p.m. to 2 a.m. And for the Lacson Tourism Strip, this will cover on October 13 to 21. Ingress will start on October 13 to 15, half road closure, 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. the next day. And for full road closure, it's on October 16, 1 p.m. to 6 a.m. the next day, so October 17. So that's part of the ingress also. Then, ang full road closure gidya sa operations ang Lacson Strip from October 17 to October 19 will be 2 p.m. till 3 a.m. the next day. So, ang full road closure nisa sa 16 to 20 is from BS Aquino Drive, Chowking, Ramos to Cottage Road sa SSS. Includes connected streets from 3rd Street to 22nd Street with rerouting along Catuslao and Aguinaldo. And for the egress sa Lacson will start on October 23 a.m. till 6 a.m. sa October 21. Okay, para mas matinuan. So, ang isa pagiging road closure will be on October 17. That's for our electric mascara street dance competition. So full road closure will be from 4 p.m. till 9 p.m. So ang street nga ma-cover sini is from Lopez East up to sa St. Francis Avenue sa may Las Palmas na traffic light. For the school and barangay category, arena and street dance competition, this will be on October 18 and 19, 2025. Full road closure will start from 1 p.m. till 8 p.m. And our route will be from Paglaam Sports Complex to Bacolod City Public Plaza. And the roads affected will be Araneta Street, Lizares to Luzuriaga, Rodriguez Avenue, Quezon Avenue, Hernay Street, Gatoslao Street, Rosario Street, San Sebastian Street, Balesteros Street, and Luzuriaga Street. For the half road closure would be 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Amo ni siya ang exit sa mga props nga magamito nila sa street dance. This will be at Gatoslao Street, sa halin Dumont Tower, hasta sa San Sebastian Street. So Director Ascalon appealed to Bacolodnons and visitors for patience and cooperation, saying, "We understand that these closures will affect daily routines, but they are necessary to ensure the safety and order of our festival. We ask for the public's understanding and support so that everyone may enjoy a secure, vibrant, and world-class Mascara celebration." Final rerouting advisories and guidelines will be released once the Bacolod City Council grants approval. For official updates, follow the Bacolod Dugma Foundation Incorporated and the City Government of Bacolod's official communication channels. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Now, do we have questions?
Sir, sa Lacson, sa full road closure sa 1918-19, balinikit malapit yan sa PUJ modernized. Kay previous press con, the proposal nila is i-allow lang. Or hindi nag-support?
Ang 17, 18, 19 is ang sa operation lang na yung ma-full road closure. Pero paglapak 3 a.m., like the next day, like 18 na 3 a.m., open na siya until 1 o'clock sa hapon. Oo. Kaya nakaset up naman ang tanan yung mga activations mo, operate na sila. So, pwede ginayamag yan. Kag ang Juan Subong is wala structure sa tunga or like makaon. 34 lanes sa Lacson. Ang 1 and 4 will be the activation area, mga tents. So, ang tunga is passable yapon. Yes. Kaya mo nang main concern gid sa aton mga business establishments dira nga wala na may kakadto sila ang mga customer nila kay hindi naka-park kay sarado ang dalan na mo na. So mo nang ginakuan gid nato nga magyan. Ang stage ara mangyapon sa kilid. Oo, ikuan ang gidamon nga makaon niya. Basta as much as possible tawayon na mo ng tunga. Yes, ang sa middle, ang inner lane amo na dapat mataway gid.
Morning. CD, may final number na sa security for Mascara and may schedule na sa
We already have the final figure for the deployment of personnel and it total 1,819. And 900 will come from augmentation. As per information from regional headquarters, ang 600 will come from other PPOs within PRO NIR and the other 300 will come from PRO 6. Yes. Ang minhambal sa akot is, of course, no, with this 900 requirement, 600 will come from other PPOs. And of course, tatlo lang man ka mga PPOs ang upod sang Bacolod CPO, which are Negros Occidental PPO, Negros Oriental PPO, and Siquijor PPO. So, tungod nga, this is the first time that we'll be celebrating Mascara nga ang BCPO is under Pro NIR. So, nakita sa ating regional office na kulang ang ma-augment from PPOs within Pro NIR. Considering sa sining Mascara naton, Dumaguete, I think, will also be celebrating their festival. So, nakita sa ating regional headquarters na kulang. And nag-request sila sa Pro 6 sa dati naming mga kaupod. So, 300 will come from PRO 6. We expect also that sa Dinagyang, we will be helping them ma-deploy pa kita dito personnel. We have not yet finalized as to the date of send off, but we expect kay may ara pa kaming final coordinating conference with our regional director tomorrow. So mabalaan natin kung saan ang send off.
May initial deployment ka muna, sir, before the official opening? Or tanan sa...
October 1 may deployment kami.
Sir, walang iwat ang sa Ganban kung nakarecommend ng kay Mayor.
Yes, ang Ganban nag-recommend kita, no? And it's the LGU that will write the national headquarters. But siguro, as kaya padala namon sa Gugma Foundation, si Gugma Foundation ang makasabat whether or not na aksyonan to wala.
Sige, ang security measures niyo magsulod sa festival site sa Bacolod Public Plaza. Ano, may gate nga, may entrance, gina-frisking sila sa magsulod sa festival site?
Yes, just like last year, ano? May mga controlled sites kita sa plaza. Di ba may araw ng limnan, controlled site na siya. So they have to pass through our pedestrian security area.
Sir,
Sabto na may gugma ang pamangkot sa Ganban.
Sir, with regards sa Ganban, sa PTC Forta, napabalo naman ang tunamon si Mayor, pero do wala pa gid update sila, kag do feeling ko wala guro kam Ganban sa Bunga Mascara Festival.
sir, in connection sa police augmentation, how are we prepared for like mga unauthorized rallies ba, sir? Just in case.
We are prepared for that. Part na sa siyang contingency planning natin nga in the event that there will be demonstrations while we are celebrating Mascara, we allocated personnel purposely for that.
CD, going back, CD, point of clarification lang. So while you sent a letter, no, nga mag-ban kita, but the mayor will be the one to forward?
Yes, it's the local chief executive who will send the request to Camp Krami. We are just recommending, no, just like, say for example, kung sa pagmatyaga namo kinanglan ang signal jamming, ma-recommend kami or Ganban, so we will just recommend. Pero kung ang decision will still come from the local chief executive. But I would like to be clarified that we did not ask the city mayor to request for signal jamming.
Sir,
Ang Ganban na.
Sir, question, sir. Mr. Marquez said most likely would have done that. Is it dangerous not to have a gun ban?
Balo ka, ang gun ban man is ang request natin sa gun ban so that we during that time, no, ang bisan ang tanan nga may mga permit to carry firearms outside the residence cannot bring firearms. Ano ang purpose ng gun ban? Pero depende man na, no? Ang halos kalabanan ng mga firearm holders. The reason why they were given permit to carry firearms outside the residence because they have shown discipline man. So it's not really a threat, no? Pero mas mayo tani kung na-suspend. But ang decision ara sa ato nga local chief executive. So whatever decision nga gusto niya nga iyang himuon parte sina, we'll just abide.
CD, just in case, is this the first time that we are not employing a gun ban, for example, Mascara as a major festival in Western Visayas?
I think so.
Sir, I don't know sino sa inyo tanang sa lamig sa pwede kasapat. But one of the iconic butang sa Mascara since time immemorial is the container na presuhan sa may rotunda. Magbalik nyo na supong. To this way sa mga palahubog na daanan sila butang tanan.
Ang mga palahubog ka gusto magmaoy, even though wala kita sang may ibutang container ban, sigurado may kantuan. Sigurado ginawa may kantuan. Balo ka gusto natin nga ma-address ang mga reklamo in the past ng mga hambal sang may gambal nga it's a violation of human rights. May ara man ta bulutangan. Actually, ang BGMP has modified may ara silang jail facility nga mobile. So we can request kag ang ato nga mga prisuan ano pa man halong pa man. So we will request the courts no nga magtemprano ang pag-remit sa mga nagkalabilin ng mga detainees para nga mahalog-halog in preparation sa mga manugmahoy.
Sige lang para sa ako. May mga checkpoint sa mga implications po kayo.
Yes. May mga border control points kita, no? That is the reason why we request for augmentation personnel.
For minors, sir. Sa corporate for minors, may implement na for starting 57.
Come again?
Ang corporate for minors.
Curfew for minors, we will talk, no? Whether we will suspend. Pero ang curfew for minors, kung makita sila sa oras ang kagabihon, kung po nilang ilang nga parents, di ba? Exempted sila. But we will talk with the foundation and other agencies and our city mayor kung ano ang decision niya sa curfew ng ordinance.
Sir Marquez, sir, do you have initial data on like how many thousands of visitors are we anticipating for this year's festival?
Ang mga attendees?
Yes, sir. Initial data, sir, how many?
Sa Subong, wala pa ko pan with regards sa tourism.
Last year, 99,000 around attendance sa highlights. So, this year, ang mo na estimate, ay
I think mas damo siguro, it's because pagit sa buling, sa Mascara Olympics, do damo-damo, naging yung mga nagpa-register sa mga sports stuff. Kag Subong do actually lain do mas dami hope nga maging nami ang outcome sin kay it's because ang Bacolod Public Plaza ta may mga events ta every day, then same with BCGC sa day and night may mga activities ta.
I see dito recent figures na siya almost 99,000 during the highlights, so it would be more because of the additional.
Yes, ma'am.
For after the traffic, sir, may 24-hour na mga traffic enforcers naman dito.
Nag-request naman kami ng tugangan ang amon nga personnel, but we have already listed ang ibutang namin. It's gonna be 24 hours.
From the opening until the...
Yes. Yes.
May mga traffic routing na, sir?
Dapat. Nayaragin na matabo, especially during the closure and mga partial closure. Kina-finalize lang naman ang iyang outline, ang mga diagram. And then we will submit it to PIO and also submit it to Lugma para ma-disseminate na sa aton ng mga public na PUJs and also sa mga private.
May changes, sir, or same as last year?
May mga jutay na changes. Jutay man lang, yes, minimal.
Sa parking siya,
especially sa plaza, may ituman, so may flashing, may mga ordinance.
Yes, meron.
Attorney, sa parking areas na along Losuriaga, Gatuslao, Araneta, ano i-clear nyo na dira nga flowing lang dira? Kaya sometimes dira na nag-traffic mo, loading, unloading na, so traffic na dira, kung mag-closure na dira sa may Araneta area, lapit Lupwes. So anong hinihimo na da? Kung nga daw, madasig lang ang pag-flow sa traffic ka?
Number one, kinanglan naman personnel din na dahil. So, ipa-avoid din naman ang mga parking dahil daw dira din maghalin dito sa SM, dira din sinaka na. So, we will see. Kaya ang problema natin, Subong may mga construction, especially dira sa plaza, pag sa aton sa LCC, so we will see kung di naman sila ipa-allow. Kay you have to look at it that way, kinanglan man ako may parkingan.
I-activate mo ang camping dyan sa area?
No. We will not do that. During the festival, we will avoid that. Kay ang kinanglan lang natin
So sabayan na sila ngayon mag-park nila?
Tikitan lang, just in case kung magpasaway.
Number of traffic personnel, lagi deploy niyo, sir?
Para may additional lang kami kay Balan, yung may ara na naka-assign for aton nga downtown area. May team na nada, so we'll add sa mga dagan siguro mga 20 to 30 ang amon nga gina-target. Hopefully may madugang from the city mayor's office. Additional to the border personnel.
Yes, police lang na, police. Yes, masobra. Yes. Wala pa. Actually, ang mga iling figures naton para lang ni sa aton ng mga kapulisan. And wala ni sa naglayo sa nagligang nga tuig na deployment naton. Pero binalantaw pa naton ang base may mga added activities lang. Ito sila ganin ni Sir AJ nga everyday ang plaza may ara ng mga activities. So mapagina ang aton nga lantawon. And other agencies will also participate, no? That's why ang aton Bureau of Fire, ang CDR rin o naton ari Madrid kay bulunigan ni tanan because this is an interagency effort to ensure that this Mascara Festival will be more peaceful and orderly.
Mr. AJ Marquez, may confirmed personality or mga politicians kita naman na maabot during the Mascara?
For now, wala pa sir. Gina-finalize pa nila kung ano yun. Pero sa politicians, though wala pag may nagambal na may maabot.
Pero wala ka mag-invite?
Wala.
Sige.
Sa LGU, guro natin, wala mang idea kung mayroon sila may invite. Pero sa amon, sa gugma, wala kami may invite na politicians.
On the discussion that you are not allowing brands to, that you are forcing the brands to sign a non-disclosure agreement that they should not surprise the public on who celebrities are they inviting so that police allocations will...
Yes, oo. Nagpunta kami na sa guidelines. Ngayon, hindi sila dapat pwede mag-surprise. Kaya basi could be mag-influx, mag-cause stampede sa mga festival side stuff.
And to add, giklaro man namon ni sa foundation ano because kung sikat ang talent so artista nga imo imbitaho, hindi mo dapat ipa-concert sa Lacson. Kagamay lang sa area. It should be conducted or held sa open area nga it will allow more audiences nga makalantaw. Kaya ang ginalantaw nato permi sa Lacson ang possible stampede. So hindi mo pwede si SB19 na kung invite mo nga ipa-concert na. Diba? That's why dapat wala sang tanan nakalida no sinong artista dalon nyo kagdiin ang venue. Because nightmare na sa amon kung gulpihon lang nila nga sikat gali ng mga artista ila dalon tapos amon lang ni ang area nga kadto.
So organizer isang mga brand niya direct
ang with regard sa mga muna, dapat may non-disclosure agreement, dapat pabandungin kami nila a week before para at least maka-prepare man ang ato nga DRMO kung PNP.
Sir, saan na sir masugod ang queues?
Saan? PNP.
mga fire safety protocols and festivals.
For the Bureau of Fire Protection, we also prepared our deployment plan for the identified festival sites naton. We will be deploying BFP personnel to man our fire trucks and ambulances. And also, pag-ara ng mga structures ng mga stalls naton, we will also be conducting fire safety inspection, no? Especially ang mga nagabaligya, ang mga may mga wirings na ginagamit, no? And to make sure man, i-identify naman ang aton yung mga exit points para in case of emergency, ang aton yung mga festival goers will be properly guided, no? Kundi baka safely evacuate sa festival site pag may emergency kita.
Actually, we will have a meeting with the barangays sa mga volunteer groups before mag-start ang festival so that maano naman sila kung di iba na sila nga mga area, mga deploy. Yeah. Para nga ma-account pa naman. Kaya last year, problem naman is that ang mga may alam ang mga event nga gulpi lang wala nga matukaw, na wala yung gali ka mga organizers. So, amo na siyang ginano naman na kung may magpadala sa amon office ang request for medics, no? Ibalik din naman sa ating organizer so that na ma-include sila sa schedules. Kaya kung hindi sa mag-include sa schedule, basi wala makamihatag sila ng mga EMS, no? Kay tanan natin ng mga emergency responders na deploy na natin sa different festival. Kaya hindi man sila mag-ano nga dali-dali o sa buwas na dayon. So at least mga 3 to 5 days, mapapagano na sila nga may aras ang schedule. Pwede din. Kaya wala naman kami subong kaya may aral at may personnel naman na siya. No? So, ang amo na problema, kay pumunta siya, ang wirings, walang alam yan. So, wala na ina-clear naman. So, sa basi, tanong naman ng area, ma-occupy kami sa paglao, kung dito ang file ng arena. So, same siguro last year, naguli kami sa kilid, hindi kami kasunod because mamugo siya kamong kamera. Itan ako na naman kung hindi siya ang area na kung hindi hubo, kasi sige mo yun. So, tanong mo naman kung pwede na makadeploy naman sa kilid. Then sa plaza, hindi ko sure kung ginuguan na wirings. Pwede din siya natin ma-deploy. Kaya may personnel na nagdala. Kaya mas mayo, di ko siya sa area, at least ma-monitor ang sarili siya na CCTV.
Okay, thank you so much. Well, I think that ends of our press conference for today. I would like to